We're going to look if the fall is frozen. We are going to look if the falls, Niagara Falls, is frozen. What do you think? Come with us. We're going down Murray. I call it Murray Hill, but it's not hill. They call it another name. It's a ghost town. The calm before the bigger storm. It's Murray Street. And we're turning now on Niagara Parkway. I'm going to go down Niagara Parkway and come back up so you can see the falls. The falls is on the other side. We're going to make a turn. And then you will see if the fall is frozen. Patience is a virtue. I can count the number of people out here. It's a ghost town. See? Hardly, well, we don't see anyone so far on this side going down. Nobody. Seasons change. In summer it's so different when all the flowers and all the trees come back and people are stepping on each other's toe to walk along the parkway. It's funny what nature can do. Put everything to rest. Even nature knows that it's supposed to rest. Yes, yes. Even nature knows to take a rest. We are going to make a U-turn. Table Rock Cafe on your right. This is my backyard, Niagara Falls. There's two souls, two brave souls outside braving it. There is the falls on that side. It's like a whiteout. Take your time. It's like a whiteout. You can hardly see the falls. It's still flowing. It's still flowing. Some more brave souls coming up. More brave souls. Remember, seasons change. It doesn't stay the same. Let me go closer. Look at the falls. The flat looks frozen. I can still hear the water though. Some of it is still running, but most of it looks frozen. Can you hear the water? It's frozen, but the water is still running off the falls, but the base is frozen. Look, that's the base. It's frozen. Bye, stay warm. They say the storm is coming later. This is just the calm before the storm.